Hi, this How to 1 Minute will show you how to enable camera and microphone access for Snapchat. So as you can see, I'm opening Snapchat and here we can see Snapchat is a camera app. To continue, you will need to allow camera access in settings. So all you have to need, tap on open settings or you can directly open your phone settings app. Now scroll down and tap on Snapchat. And here you will find microphone and camera. So all you have to need, enable microphone access and camera access. If you're an Android phone user, go to your Android phone settings and tap on apps and then tap on Snapchat and then go to permissions, and there you will find camera permission and microphone permission. Just enable these two options and now relaunch your Snapchat app and you will see your Snapchat camera is working. So this is how we can do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.